What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you a slick little trick to make sure that you can still use your factory TV remote with like a Sonos playbar or something like that. So got a few questions, got a few calls about um, people being concerned that they can't use the factory remote that comes with their brand new Sony A9G or X950G or Z9G for that matter, and a Sonos playbar underneath it, because by default the remotes are paired Bluetooth to the television. So wanted to show you guys quickly how to go ahead and disable that and kind of make it simple for yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold the remote up here kind of to the camera as quickly as I can, and you can see there very faintly through the IR window that remote is spitting out IR information or control information. If I take the Sony TV remote by default and hold it up here, and it'll be very faint, you won't see anything because there's no IR commands that are coming out of the front of this. However, all the Bluetooth commands are working, so we're connected via RF to the TV. So I want to be able to use the remote still, but also want to use the volume commands from my TV to turn the soundbar up and down. I go here to the settings tab, I scroll down to where it says Bluetooth settings, and literally just turn the Bluetooth and the TV off. You could also unpair the remote if you wanted to, I guess, but I think it's a good idea just to keep that feature active for simplicity's sake, and also here for my example. So now I actually have to point the remote at the TV to make it work. But if I hit buttons on the remote, you can actually see now that the TV is spitting out IR commands. So really up to you what you think is the best plan of action. Turning off the Bluetooth disables the microphone in the remote, obviously disables the RF connection to the TV. So if you wanted to do any kind of voice control or OK Google stuff, you'd actually have to use the microphone that's built into the TV. However, you know, if you turn the Bluetooth back on in the settings tab here, you can enable the full functionality of the remote. So just wanted to shoot a quick little video and send you guys that explanation. Seems to be a topic that a few people have run into out there, and that's how you disable the Bluetooth on a Sony TV so that you can use the remote to control your Sonos soundbar.